Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to do my plan with me in my personal planner. This is the one that I use for YouTube and for Stampin' Up, which I'm really not doing Stampin' Up anymore, but I'm just a hobbyist. So I'm going to take out the week of the June 18th through the 24th, and I'm going to be using these Merry Mermaids sticker book that I got, I believe, at Michael's, and it was $1, so it's really cute. There's lots of cute little things, and it is, there were 6 sheets, and I've shared some, so I took 3 of them out, and I shared those, so I have 3 left. So they're all different, but they're very similar. And then I also have this washi. It's a cute little jellyfish. And then I have some dolphins. I don't know if I'm going to use the dolphins, but I am going to start out with the jellyfish. And because I'm not really doing much in this planner, like I just put a few things in here, I thought I would take the opportunity to just make it, well, really cutesy this week and not really worry about, I mean, I worry about function, I guess. Not worry isn't the right word, but I think about function, but I really don't. Once I write this stuff down in here, I don't really have a particular day I need to do this stuff on or any of that. I just kind of try to make sure I put my highlights in here so that I can get things done. I'm going to try to reconnect these. So I don't waste all of that washi. Ah, it's ripping again. Oh, this washi is interesting now that I'm looking at it a little closer. There's perforations between each. Look, like watch. That's hilarious. I've not seen washi like that that I know of, that I can recall. Okay, that is totally crooked, so let's see if I can, which is probably why it wants to rip. Very interesting. It's cute though. A little crazy, but it's cute. Okay, and then I'm just going to pick a page. It doesn't matter which one. And I'm just going to make a little scene, I think. We're just going to have fun. Put blonde over on the other side. And turtles. Being careful not to rip his legs. some bubbles. Alright, I think that's good. Makes it really easy and cute and fun, and I get to use some of my stickers that I collect and don't always use. So let's just go ahead and write some things in here that I know I need to do this week. So comments. Let me know what you guys like, if you guys like kits or if you like just kind of winging it with stuff in my personal planner. And maybe I'll do more of whichever. I don't know, I love kits, but I have a lot of stickers, so right now I'm kind of leaning toward doing this a little bit more frequently. Just because kits are expensive and I have so many stickers that I really do need to use. I feel like I'm slacking on my hauls though, because I haven't done many hauls recently because I haven't bought anything like this for a while. But I really don't need it. Okay, so other things that I'd like to do. I need to do let's see, I'm gonna work on Christmas crafts. I want to do one of those. I also need to do my June collab. And I need to work on some more open win cards. And then hopefully around here I'll be doing my Plan With Me. And I'm just going to write some things down on Saturday that I know I'd like to do sometime this week. But like I said, the things here don't really have to be this week or this day. Maybe I will have done the live challenge by the time this weekend comes around, but I'm just going to write it down in here just to be sure. And I think that's good. I think it's really cute. Very summery and fun. I like it. Okay, well, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope that you guys have a very good week. Happy planning, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.